Hi everybody, Dave Cook with Franco Finish coming at you. We were doing some cabinet refinishing. So these were cherry doors, and it's one of these odd things where it's cherry on the exterior, it's solid wood. Interior we thought was like a paneling, and this is the third door now. After we've gotten the paint on there, they're bubbling. And you can I already flicked this off, but if you look in between a couple, you can still see some of the bubbles are still showing up. And so I just took a razor and was playing with it, and those are the pieces we took off, and it's just actually the sorry for moving around, it's actually the veneer that is coming off. So whatever it was, glued, not glued, there was some kind of damage, but either way we're stuck in fixing it. So we're just going to take some Bondo putty and we'll stick in there, and I believe it or not, I'll use a razor blade and kind of smoothie it on there, let it dry because it'll be nice and thin. And then we'll hit it again, let it dry, sand it, and I'll hit it one more time. Usually 3 times is about the time it takes, and then it's nice and smooth, and we'll prime it and have to repaint the whole door. But some of the stuff you don't notice while we're doing our inspections. Sometimes, in this case, it didn't even show up till our final coat, and we did our final coat Thursday, and the customer let us know yesterday. So it was a couple days between the weight of the paint or the moisture. I'm not sure exactly the whole sequence of why it popped that much after the fact. Normally it pops pretty quick if there's a bubble or if there's a problem on there. But either way, we're fixing it. It's part of our warranty guarantee that we make sure customers happy. If there's something we didn't see, we fix it. Part of our 5-year guarantee also. So you got questions about cabinets, cabinet refinishing, water damage, or any kind of damages to your cabinets, let us know at Franco Finishes, because we're here to help you love the space you're in.